How to repair and wire 3-pin extension board. So here the diagram shows a 3-pin male plug, 3-pin male plug, and this is 3-pin female plug. So how the wiring should be done, here it is seen. So your live wire, that is a red color code wire, the live wire, line wire, should be connected through a switch. So this is a switch, and the neutral wire, blue color code blue color, we should be directly connected to the neutral point of a 3-pin male plug. So the blue color wire is directly connected to the, you can see here, to the neutral point of a female plug, and it is connected to the neutral point of male plug. And the earthing wire should be directly connected to the female plug and to the earthing point of male plug, the green color code. And the red wire, the line wire, or the line wire, should be connected through the switch. So this is the line wire, and through the switch we will connect it to the live point. When switch is on, the current flows through the circuit and you get the voltage in this 3-pin plug. This is the earthing point, neutral, and live wire. This is how the extension wire is being done. So if you have any faulty extension board and it is not working, so check these points. Switch on the switch, check them with the multimeter, line and neutral. If you get 230 volt, then current is flowing. Then keep the probe in line and earthing and check. If voltages are coming accurately, that is nearly to 230 volt, then your earthing is properly and earthing is okay. So this is how you can check your line wire. Before checking it, check the continuity between line of female plug connection and the line of male plug. The continuity test or a beep test you can check through while continuity test, you can keep the multimeter in resistance range and check the continuity. Otherwise a beep set, you can check whether beep is coming or not when switched on. Same thing with the neutral wire, keep one probe in the neutral of male plug and one probe in the neutral of female plug and check the continuity or beep whether it is happening. Same with the earthing, keep on probe on earthing of female plug and one probe on the male plug and check whether beep is coming. Once it is coming, your connection is accurate. If any fault occurs, open up the wiring and check where the problem is there. So this is how you can repair the 3-pin male plug extension board or any of the extension board which you have. Now we will check with a multimeter. So here there is a multimeter. So how you have to check, we will check by understanding. So these are the two probe. So now I have kept this in range of a beep. So you can check here, the beep is there. The probe is kept at the beep, and check it with the probe, touch it and see whether beep is coming or not. So here the beep is coming, you can see the wires. Now what you have to check, you have to check the neutral and line wire, the continuity test. So one probe you can keep here in the line and another probe in the line connection of this. So if beep is coming, then your continuity is correct. Switch on and check the continuity, beep is coming, it is right. And another time keep one probe in the neutral of this and the neutral of the male plug. So if beep comes, then your neutral connection is okay, there is no any broken wire. Same thing with earthing point, you can check this. If beep is coming, then your earthing point is okay. This is how you can check the extension board of a wire. Now we can go through this. So this is the live connection of, this is the line point, this is the neutral point, and this is the earthing point of the extension board wiring 3-pin connection. So this point are the 3-point, live point, neutral point, and this is your earthing point. Same with here male plug, we have this is female and this is male. We can open it, see here the connection is, if you turn like this, so this is line wire, this is neutral, and this is earthing. So line, neutral and earthing, if you rotate it, it will be vice versa. See, check here. So this is line wire and this is neutral and this is earthing. So these are the wires which are coming. So if you test the continuity of those wires, this is a big wire, you can check here. So now we will check the continuity whether beep is coming or not. So the multimeter is kept in the beep run. One probe you have to keep it in the this thing, red point, red wire, the line wire, and the this thing, line wire of the male plug. So here you can check the beep is coming. So your this thing is, line wire is okay. Next we have to keep the another probe in the neutral point of this and check the neutral connection. So here beep is coming, you can check here. So your neutral point is okay. Now you have to check with the earthing point. Keep on probe on the earthing connection and another in the earthing point of female plug. So here beep is coming. So here, so your earthing point is good. Next you can check with the resistance mode also. You can keep it 200 or 2k range and check whether continuity is there. I have kept it to 200 ohm range and check here. I'll keep it to 2k. Or 20k. So I have kept it to 20k range. So 00. Same thing you can check here, hit with a line wire. I kept on probing line wire and this with line wire of neutral. So here 00 will come. It shows that the wire has a good continuity. Same thing with neutral. You can check here 00. So continuity it is okay. Now with the neutral wire, earthing wire. So here also. So there is a proper earthing also. Some resistance is showing because of some rust here has been occurred, but all the three connections are okay. Your line, neutral and earthing. So this is how you can check the extension wiring and repair the extension using a multimeter. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any further important videos. Thank you very much.